Hello there. So, this is The Secret Law of Attraction Magic, Ron and Byrne, revised by me, my own gratitude journal here. And this is the section on make all your wishes come true. Imagination is the true magic carpet. And by the way, this is just like an affirmation video. Imagination is the true magic carpet. You've been following the magic practices day by day and now have built an amazing foundation by practicing gratitude for everything you received and continue to receive in your life. But today is an exciting day because you're going to begin to use gratitude's magical practice for your dreams and your desires. Hundreds of native cultures through the centuries have traditionally given thanks for what they want and what they receive, creating elaborate ceremonies to put as much energy as they could into giving thanks. The Egyptians have celebrated, and this isn't meant to be perfect. The Egyptians have celebrated putting ceremonies together and giving as much energy as they could, from the flooding of the Nile River since the ancient times to ensure continual flow of the water in the river. American Indians and Australian perform rain dances. Various African tribes perform ceremonies for their food before they hunt for it, and the very nature of prayer in every culture and religion is giving thanks before having received what is desired. The law of attraction says that like attracts like, which means you must form in your mind a likeness or an image of what you want. Then to attract your desire to you, you have to feel as though it's yours, so that how you feel is also how you would feel when you have what you wanted. The easiest way to do this is to be grateful for what you want even before you receive it. Use gratitude to receive what you want. You now have discovered another of its magical powers. The very words in the Holy Scriptures, whoever has gratitude now will be given more in the future, and he or she will have abundance. Gratitude is something you must have before you receive. Always have gratitude no matter what. This is what wins. To make all your wishes come true and change your entire life by filling it with riches in every area, you must be grateful before and after. Through the act of being sincerely grateful, you are receiving your desire beforehand, and you immediately form an image in your mind that you haven't, and you're fulfilling your part. Continue to hold that image and feeling, and you will magically receive your desire. You won't know how you'll receive it, and it's not your job to figure it out. You don't try to figure it out. You don't try to figure out how gravity keeps you on the ground when you're going for a walk, do you? You trust and you know. You trust and you know. As you go for a walk, you understand that it's going to keep you there. And you understand that you must be grateful for what you want, and what you want will magically be moved to you because this is the law of the universe. The next section is, what do you want most right now? At the beginning of this book, you had to get really clear about what you want in every area of your life. Go to the list you created now and choose the top desires for this magical practice. You can select desires from different areas of your life, such as money, health, home, and relationships. Or you might want to choose a desire in one area you really want to change, such as work or success. Be very clear and very specific about what you want most, so that you can see the changes magically happen from this practice. Imagine you are pulling in a magic order with the universe for your top desires, because in truth, by using the law of attraction, that's exactly what you're doing. Sit down with a pen and journal and create a list in the following ways as though you have received them. So this is like my own personal thing here, so go with me now. Now, you are supposed to say thank you 3 times. I won't say thank you 3 times here on the camera, but just imagine I have thank you, thank you, thank you written here. So, thank you, thank you, thank you for my dreams coming true. Thank you, thank you, thank you for my high marks on my YouTube channel, which got me into the exact career I wanted. Thank you, thank you, thank you for breaking the news. Thank you, thank you, thank you for my dream home, which has everything we ever wanted to every last detail. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the amazing phone call with my dad, which has improved our relationship. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the medical results that show I'm all clear and healthy again. Thank you for the unexpected money I received and the exact amount I needed to move on. Thank you for the doubling of our gratitude. Thank you for the ideas that won. Thank you for the absolute perfect partner. Thank you for how easy and effortless this all was and how effortless this move was. Thank you for the amazing gratitude. Thank you and thanks a lot and thanks a bunch and thanks a ton. Writing thank you 3 times in a row is a powerful thing to do because it increases your focus of gratitude. Saying thank you 3 times is also a magical formula because it is the mathematical number of creation of the universe. For example, it takes 1 male and 1 female to create a baby. The male and female and baby have total 3, completing of creation. The same rule of 3 applies to the creation of everything in the universe, including the creation of your desires. And so when you say thank you 3 times in a row, you are using the magical number of creation and a secret magic formula. The second step of making all your wishes come true involves saturating your desire with even more gratitude. You can complete the second step at any time during the day, either at the same time as listing your desires or intermittently throughout the day. To saturate each of your desires with gratitude's magical power, begin with the first desire on your list and using your imagination to mentally answer the following questions as though you received your desire. What emotions did you feel when you received your desire? What emotions did you feel when you received your desire? Well, when I received desires, I always felt joyful, happiness, success, peaceful, healthy, strong, capable. Who was the first person you told when you received your desire, and how did you tell them? I'm going to tell my mom. I'm going to tell her through the phone or either in person, however it works out. Include as much detail as you can in your mind. The first great thing I did... Oh, I think I missed a question here. Let me go back. What was the first great thing you did when you received your desire? Include as much detail as you can in your mind. Okay, there we go. The first great thing I did was get a new car to get back on the road, because that's where I love to be. I like to turn my car into a mobile orchestra and turn my music up very loud. You could probably hear it on the street, and that's what I like. Out of suggestion. Now, finally reread each desire and really emphasize the magic words thank you so that you feel as much as you can. Move on to the next desire and follow the same steps with each desire until you have completed all the desires. Spend time on the desire, and you want to do something that's really powerful and a lot of fun. And you can also create a magic board where you attach pictures of your desires. Cut out the pictures and attach them to the board. There's no place where you'll see it often. Vision board. Place your magic words thank you on the magic board. When you have a family, you can create a magic board as a family project because children love it. Imagine that your magic board is truly magical and that whenever you place a picture on your board, it's instantly being moved towards you. You continue gratitude for it, it will magnetize it all the way into your life. These are, these are how you make all your wishes come true. Remember to count your blessings, to continue with all these blessings, continue on with the way you're grateful and all your blessings and say thank you multiple times and repeat thank you. And just be grateful. Be as grateful as you can. Remember to sit down with your pen and journal and write out your gratitude. Write it out as if you already received it. Thanks for the breakthrough. Using your imagination, answer the following questions in your mind as though you received each and every one of your desires. What emotions did you feel when you received your desire? Who was the first person you told when you received your desire? And how did you tell them? What is the first great thing you did when you received your desire? Include as much detail as you can in your mind. And finally, reread the descriptions of what you wrote, of your desires, and really emphasize the magic words thank you so that you can really feel it as much as you can. Create a magic board, vision board, however imagine it, use your imagination. Use your mind. And cut out the pictures and attach them to the board and keep it in a place where you'll see it every day, all the time. And then when you repeat it, just focus on your gratitude towards that board. Okay, here we have the next section, have a magical day. Intentions compressed into words unfold magical power. To see and experience the most magical day of your life, you can be grateful for your whole day before you live it. To have a magical day, you simply think through your plans for the day, and say the magic words thank you for each one going well before you lived it. It's the easiest thing to do, and it only takes a few minutes, but the difference it can make in your day is incredible. Being grateful for your day beforehand creates a magical day through the law of attraction. When you give thanks for the experiences in your day going well, you must receive back experiences going well. There's a very reason why doing the magic journaling at night before bed is to ensure you go to sleep with positive thoughts. The magic journaling you do at night combined with the jet stream of repetitively saying thank you in your mind as you wake, and magic journaling when you wake, guarantees that you're feeling good before you go off into your day. And you have positive energy and positive thoughts. To have a magical day, you need to feel good. I don't know of anything other than gratitude that guarantees to put you in a good mood almost instantly. Whatever your plans are for the day, or for today, or any day, whether it's traveling, meeting, work, project, lunch, exercise, laundry, playing a sport, going to, you get the point by now, right? Going to buy groceries, turn the day into a magical day by saying the magic words, thank you. For each plan going well before you live it. Be a person who writes daily of things you need to do, then you can go through them daily and be grateful for each one having gone well. Doing this magic practice in your mind and on paper and on the screen, what I mean by the screen is the phone. The most important thing is that you feel the result of each plan or activity was the best it could have ever been. When you use the gratitude ahead of time to have a magical day, it wipes out unexpected adversity before they happen. When you use gratitude, and the more you use the magical practice, the better your days will become. And from the smallest things to the important things, everything starts to have a magical flow about them. And things seem to magically go your way, with less effort, no worry, no stress, and far more joy. When you begin to use gratitude to have a magical day, choose thanks ahead of time for the events of your day. In the beginning of your day, say thank you. For the easiest and joyful days, you had no idea your days could be easy and so joyful. Feel as much gratitude for the outcome as you can. The results of gratitude's magical power is right at the door. I then ran for a time, and we got it all together, which I have been dreaming of having. As I did, wherever I looked, what I needed was magically in front of my eyes. Everything was in stock. One thing after another was special. Approaching in record time, a new aisle opened, and it will be signaled to you. A new aisle will be opened, and it will be signaled to you. Out of the blue, you'll have a razor-charged battery. Your days will be beyond easy and joyful. They'll be downright magical. It only takes a few minutes in the morning to use gratitude to have a magical day. By giving thanks for the events in your day ahead of time, this one practice alone will change the way your entire day unfolds. To have a magical day when you wake up in the new day, either before you get out of bed or while you're showering and getting dressed, thinking about the plans for the day, give thanks for each one going brilliantly well. Make sure you do this magical practice in the beginning of your day and in one session. All these sessions are just in one sessions. That's why it's not meant to be perfect. In your mind, work your way through the plans you have for the morning, afternoon, and evening until bedtime. With each plan or event, say the magic words and imagine that you're saying thank you at the end of each day. And you're immensely grateful because it did go brilliantly well. You can use as many superlatives as you can to help you feel more grateful. Thank you for the incredible success. Thank you for the amazing outcome. Thank you for the best. Thank you for the thrilling life. Thank you for the effortlessness and fun. Thank you for the greatness. Thank you for the relaxing days of travel. Thank you for the amazing energy from my exercise. Thank you for the best family we've ever had. The magic practice is powerful. When you say all these magical words and love it, and you'll also find you'll say them in your mind. After you finish using gratitude's magical power for each and every task and event in your day, and the practice by saying and thank you for the great news coming today, without fail every single morning when you finish using gratitude to have a magical day, give thanks for the great news coming to you this day. As a result, you will never have received so much great news in your entire life. One week after another, after one day after another, great news just pours in. Each time you receive another piece of great news, be especially grateful and excited because you know you use gratitude's magical power to bring it. And then even more great news continues to come in. To achieve more great news than you ever before, just follow the blueprint. To have a magical day, remember to count your blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you multiple times. And feel as grateful as you can for the blessing as you can. In the morning, work your way in your mind the plans you have for the day and evening and bedtime with each plan or event. Say the magic words, thank you, for having it all gone so well. Imagine that you're saying thank you at the end of each day and you're immensely grateful because it went perfectly. After you're finished being grateful for all the plans in your day going brilliantly well, end this magical practice by saying, I'll say it again, thank you for the great news coming to me today. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your gratitude in your mind and say thank you for the best thing that happened during that day. That is the law of attraction and the magic. And of course, we're going to continue on. Thank you for following along. My name is Devin.